Greetings and welcome to the world of crafting and culture. Today, we delve into the intricate and traditional craft of Madurkathi Mats, originating from the vibrant lands of Bengal, India. These unique mats are woven from a special reed known as Madurkathi, found in the marshy lands of the Medinipur district in West Bengal. Embodying durability, flexibility, and an alluring texture, these mats serve versatile purposes from sitting and sleeping to praying and decorating. The weaving of Madurkathi mats is a testament to the rich cultural heritage of Bengal and a proud product of the women artisans of the Mahishya caste. To embark on this creative journey, gather the following materials: Madurkathi reeds or any other available reed, grass or straw, a sharp knife or scissors, a needle and thread, along with some colorful yarn, ribbon or beads for decoration. The initial step involves preparing the reeds. This is achieved by soaking them in water for a few hours to make them soft and pliable. Post the soaking process, cut them into equal lengths based on the desired size of the mat. For finer weaving, split the reeds into thinner strips. The next step is to commence weaving the reeds together, placing them horizontally and vertically, and intertwining them over and under each other. Different patterns and techniques can be employed to create diverse designs such as stripes, checks, diamonds, or flowers. Contrasting colors of reeds can be used to enhance the visual appeal. Upon completion of the weaving, trim the excess reeds and sew the edges of the mat using a needle and thread. This neatens the finish and prevents the mat from unraveling. The final touch to your unique Madurkathi mat involves decoration. Stitch on some colorful yarn, ribbon or beads, or tie them to the corners. For an extra festive look, consider adding tassels or pom-poms. And voila, there you have it, your very own Madurkathi mat. This technique allows for a range of sizes and shapes from round to square to rectangular, and can even be used to make placemats, coasters, or wall hangings. In summary, we've embarked on a creative journey exploring the cultural heritage of Bengal through the traditional craft of Madurkathi mats. We've learned how to prepare and weave the reeds, create beautiful designs, and add a personal touch with decorations. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you've enjoyed it and learned something new. Subscribe for more art and craft videos. Thank you for joining us today, and until next time, happy crafting!